Guys, I'm here to get a relaxer. I'm gonna stay focused and get what I need to get and get out of here. Check the clearance section and see if I'll see something I need. Guys, I think I'm gonna try their brow pencil. It's just $3.29. It's that time of the month, guys. You see that chocolate milk? It's gonna be second. Hi. Hello. Bye. It's a nice day out, guys. I think I'm gonna make it's about 9 o'clock. I'm gonna make some oatmeal and put some banana in, make some tea and relax. Kids are in school. Yep. I'm back from the store. These are the stuff I bought. I got my chocolate chip and my chocolate milk. It's that time of the month, so your sister is craving for some chocolate. And I have some banana. I'm gonna make some oatmeal and put some banana in. And I got this Wet n Wild brow pencil. This is my first time going to try and see how it works. I'll be relaxing my hair. I'm home and I'm about to wash some dishes. Yeah, guys, I just put it on. It's not all that. It's okay. This is my regular eye, and this is, I don't know. It's okay. It's not like for $3.99. Not bad. This chocolate milk is the best. This is from Dwayne Reed, okay? It's very good. You can try it if you have a Rite Aid around you. I was just opening my makeup box, and I was gonna put the rest of the eyeliner that I bought inside. And guys, I just found out that I have water in one of my eyeshadow palette. Like, look at this, the green. Ay. I'm gonna wipe it. And some baby wipes. I think my sink, I put my makeup, I put it underneath my sink, and I think the water went down and got in it. I'll put it by the windows and let it dry. But let me show you my makeup box. I really love it, but this came off because the water got on and it bubbled. It got some bubble, and I have the rest underneath here. I gotta go to TJ Maxx and get me another one. Guys, look what happened to me. I'm making some cornbread. I'm breaking the eggs inside the bowl to mix, and this I should have just, you know, like our mothers always say, it's best to crack the egg on one in a separate bowl before adding it together, because you never know which one is spoiled. And yeah, look what just happened. I just wasted 2 eggs. I just wasted an egg that I could be using. Thank God I have extra eggs in the refrigerator for my cornbread. Yeah. So yeah, guys, today I was just craving some cornbread and potato salad, so I made some potato salad and some cornbread. I'm about to bake it. Guys, the cornbread is ready. I'm putting some butter on it. This thing is so loud. I'm gonna give some away. I'm gonna eat some banku and some light soup, the turkey soup I made. So I'm cooking some okra on the side so I can add it to it, because I don't like, now I like adding okra to when I'm eating banku to the soup. At least I can add it's helping me get some my how do you say, my veggies. So yeah, so I get I'm gonna eat a veggie a day, so adding I want to add vegetables in at least one of the meals that I'll eat. So yeah, my dinner is ready.